Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome back to Gini Academy. Today let us start the 5th chapter of 10th standard Arithmetic Progressions. In short form, you can call it as AP. Okay. So, before understanding the meaning of it, let us see some example. See, the first example is 1, 2, 3, 4 and second one like this. I wrote the 5 example here, okay, and what is the common thing here is, look at the first number list, see the 1, it is the first number, okay. For this number, if you add 1 again, 2 you will get. So this is what we call successive number, the next number, is it not? This is the preceding number, this is the successive number. How this 2 is getting? By adding 1 to the preceding number. And it continues like that only. How we are getting 3? By adding 1 to the preceding number. 4 by adding 1 to the preceding number, like this, so on, okay. And look at the second example, 100, 70, 40, 10. Here, first number is called preceding number. For the preceding number, by subtracting 30 to the preceding number, we are getting 70. Is it not? Again subtracting 30 for this become preceding number for this number, right? So again 70 minus 30 we got 40. 40 minus 30, 10. So this list is 30 is the same thing. What we are doing, just we are subtracting 30 to the preceding number and this list will continue. And third one is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. See, for the minus 3, to get minus 2, what we need to do? Plus 1, don't get confused here. Minus 3 plus 1, then only minus 2 will come. You can see here. For the minus 3, if you do plus 1, then 3 minus 1 is 2 and the negative sign for the greater number is 2. So like this, if you keep on adding plus 1 or adding 1 to the preceding number, this list will form. And here, just adding, what they are adding, nothing is there, no means, nothing means 0. If a 0 is adding to the preceding number, then this number list will form. And what about this? Minus 1, 0. For the minus 1, 0, if we do plus 0.5, is it not? Plus 0.5, plus, 0 plus 5 is 5 and 1 plus 0 is 1, negative. Is it no? Adding 0.5 to the each preceding number, you are getting this number list. Is it not? By seeing these 5 examples, what we can conclude means, in this number list, this is a list of numbers, right? So in this number list, each number, we can call it as a term. And you have to understand here, each number we can call it as term. These are all first term, second term, third, fourth, like that only it will continue, okay? So here we can conclude that each successive numbers are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number. Is it not? Each numbers, whatever the numbers are there, no, or each term, succeeding term or succeeding numbers are obtained by adding. Is it not? Fixed number to the either adding or subtracting. Here also we done subtracting, right? Adding or subtracting fixed number to the preceding number. So these kind of list of a number is calling as arithmetic progression. In a short form, you can call it as AP. Let us see it actual definition. And the meaning of arithmetic progression is, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Adding fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. How I shown in the example, the each term is getting by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first one. So this is the meaning of arithmetic progression. One more meaning is, an AP is a sequence of number. Is it no sequence of numbers? In order that the common difference. What is the meaning of common difference? Here I said by adding fixed number to it. Is it not? Common difference means nothing but second term. I already said here in a AP, each number in the list is calling as a term. This is the first term and this is the second term. Always will take the subtraction by second term minus first term. Okay. So for example, 2 minus 1, we are getting 1. And here, what we are getting? 70 minus 100, we are getting minus 30. and here 3 minus 3 we are getting 0. So like this. An AP is a sequence of number in order that the common difference of any two successive number, you can consider any term, okay, any two successive number is a constant value. It means constant means fixed. If you take 2 minus 1 also 1, 3 minus 2 also 1, 4 minus 3 also 1, 70 minus 100 also minus 30, 40 minus 70 also minus 30. 3 minus 3 also 0, 3 minus 3 also 0. So here what we need to understand, it is nothing but a sequence of numbers in that the common difference of any two successive numbers is a constant value. So common difference means, so that will represent by the letter small d, okay. So that is the common difference. And here common difference, look at in the first example our common difference is positive. In the second example it is negative, and in the third example it is 0. So what can we conclude here? Common difference can be positive, negative or 0. Can I write here? It can be positive, negative or 0. Is it not? So this you have to understand, okay. So this is about an introduction, means AP meaning, okay. Let us see general form of an AP. See, actually for this let us take an example. The very familiar example is 2 table, is it not? Here the first term, keep in your mind, here each number is called as a term. The first term is represented by a letter A, is it not? And D, I already said, it is nothing but the common difference. D is a common difference between two successive terms except the first one, is it not? So what is the common difference? D, the first here 4 minus 2 is 2. Any successive you can take, 8 minus 6 also 2, 6 minus 4 also 2. That is a common difference. So this second term is represented by A plus D, is it not? A is 2. If A is 2, what is the common difference I got? 2. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. I got same, right? What about the third term? For the third term, we can call it as A plus 2D. So how? A is 2 plus 2. What is D? 2. 2 plus 2 2s are 4. So that is nothing but 2, 4, 6. And the third, this is the first term, second term, third term, and the fourth term is A plus 3D. So that means 2 plus 3 into 2. Common difference is 2. 2 plus 3 2s are 6. So it is nothing but 8. So we are getting each term by using the general formula only. So this is the general formula and it continues. If the fifth term is there, means we can say this. First term A1 is A, and the second term A2 is A plus D, and the third term is A plus 2D, and fourth A plus 3D. Like this it will continue. For example, 99th term you can consider, that is A plus 1 is, see here carefully, if 1 is there means 0. 0 is added to anything, that only. 3 means 1D, nothing is there means 1D. 3 means 2D. Fourth term means 3D. Like that 99th term means it is 98D. Is it not? So like this we can find out any term by using the general formula. Is it not? So this is the general formula. You have to practice thoroughly. A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, like that it will continue. By doing the sum it will come automatically, but you have to practice, okay. So now here introduction, you have to just understand this one. So next one more thing we need to understand, finite AP and infinite AP. So what does it mean? Finite AP means, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and infinite means you can write 3, 6, 9, 12 continuation. By saying this only you can judge. The meaning of finite AP means the number of terms in that AP are fixed. if the AP is having fixed number of terms, okay, then it is calling as finite AP. If a AP is having not fixed term, then it is calling as infinite AP. Clear? And here one more thing, the last term, I said no, here A1, A2, A3, A4 like that. The last term is represented as AM, is nothing but even sometimes small letter L also. That means that is the last term. You have to keep in your mind while doing the sum, it will also include this concept. AM means it is the last term, it is also represented by small l. Okay. And now as we learned here, first term, second term, third, fourth, now we need to understand nth term. Then the nth term of an AP. How I said if a term A1, A2, A3 like that, the last term is calling as AM. Nth means any number of terms between these, that is represented by AN. So, for example, if the A4, the fourth term we need to find out means how will we say by using the general formula A plus 3D. Is it not? If it is 10th term, A10 is A plus 9D. If it is 50th term, A plus 49D. Listen, look here carefully. Fourth term means here minus 1, 3D is there. 10th term means 9D. 50th term is 49D. So what you have to observe here, so this D is multiplying with minus 1 of it, is it not? So in that way, nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it clear? Why it is n minus 1? Look at here, 4 is there, 3, 10, 9, 50, 49. So minus 1. 50 minus 1, 49. 10 minus 1, 9. 4 minus 1, 3. But here, nth term. So that is why n minus 1 into D. Is it not? So this formula is very helpful to find out. They will ask in the exercise sum to find out the number of terms. Okay. And even which number, like for example, which term. Okay. For that, in the place of n, we need to substitute what the number term they asked, and we can get it easily. Clear? And let us see the sum. The sum of first n term of an AP. See here, the formula is sum means yes, nth term or nth term is n, and here n divided by 2 inside the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula, and you have to practice this. Okay, sum of n term is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And let us understand how it will work out. For example, you can consider any AP. Okay, sorry, 12, 16, 4 table. Okay, see here, as I already said, the first term A is, this is nothing but A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D continuation. So that means you find out the D first. D is 8 minus 4, that is 2. The first term is 4, is it not? So here substitute to the formula, and n number means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just need to find the summation of these 4 number. So S is 4. So that is 4 divided by 2 in the place of n, 4. So 2 into what is A? 4 plus n minus 1. N is 4 means 4 minus 1 into D means 2. 2 table, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2. 4 twos are 8 plus 4 minus 1 means 3 and 2 as it is. 2 into, look at here, 8 plus 3 twos are, common difference is 4, sorry, what is the common difference? 4, right? What I wrote, 8 minus 4 is 4. Is it not? It is a 4 table, common difference also 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 and common difference is 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 into 8 plus 12 is 20. 22s are 40. So summation of that first 4 term we are getting 40. Is it no? By applying to the formula we can find out. Let us check it out once again. So 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 2 is the carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. You can see in an example, in an exercise some big numbers also they will ask. So if we understand the formula, we can find out that summation easily. So this formula is very important, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Understood? And one more thing you have to, n term of an AP is this, and we can split this one like this, n by 2 into, instead of 2a, we can take it as a plus a n minus 1 into d. Is it not? And what is this a plus n minus 1 into d? Is nothing but what? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it not? Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. This is nothing but an. And usually, this formula also helpful when they ask the last term. See, in this case, an is nothing but L, that is the last term. So that formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L or a plus an. Clear? And this is about an introduction of arithmetic progression. What and all we discussed here, no? It is a basic concept for this exercise to go through. Okay, if we understand these basic concepts, then only we can easily go through in the exercise sums. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Those who not yet subscribe to my channel, then only next update will come. And thank you for your encouragement. In my next class, we'll start this first exercise. Bye bye.